Now we're on the first easy exercise. Those other ones were beginners, kind of warming you up. If you're brand new at riding, those are great to practice your friction zone, throttle control, head and eye movement, counterbalance, and braking to get yourself into these. Now, lefty loosey, it's 3 U-turns, around, around, around. So let's go ahead and have fun with that. Left-handed U-turns, here we go. So around all of them. Nice and easy. I'm familiarizing myself now around these two. Now this one I'm going to set up. I'm going to go wide on this one next to this cone. Head and eye movement and turn. And now we're going to exit out. .6. Now I'm just showing you guys these exercises. Once I practice more and more and more and train more and more and post those more, you're going to see better times. Here we go. Same thing. A little bit faster. Around these cones. I'm looking. Look around these cones, go wide on this one. Maybe cut this one a little bit short. Power through it. There we go. That is the lefty loosey.